Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see an overview of the new release, that is Galaxy M34 5G by Samsung. So as you can see, this is a budget phone which is coming around I would say 18,000 or 19,000 rupees above, and it has like variants like 6 GB and 8 GB RAM, which will be around cost will be around 200 to $250 or 19,000 rupees, and based on the variant the price will increase. So let us have an overview what exactly are the features here. So it is writing it as monster features, or you can see here 16.42 or 6.5-inch display, the screen size, and it has a triple set of camera, 50 megapixel no shake cameras. It has a massive 6000 mAh battery which could last for 2 days. It says that 4th generation of OS upgrades, and 5 years of security updates, some Samsung wallet feature, and the design is Galaxy signature design. So let us go through it detail one by one. So it is saying monster display. The display is AMOLED. As you can see, it is of 120 hertz screen, which is quite good, like a flagship kind of screen. It is saying scroll endlessly with stutter-free 120 hertz refresh rate on an immersive 6.5-inch screen. So it's quite good here. And based on the toughness of glass, it is saying it is Gorilla Glass 5, a toughened glass to endure your adventures. Fine. And as I said, monster camera must be the steady 50 megapixel no shake cam. So it is incorporating that object image stabilization, that is no shake camera, 50 megapixel, which says it is unshakable, which says it is blur free, and it stabilizes the image as well by use of technology. So as I said, the monster battery, it is somewhere around 6000 mAh, which is quite good, and the battery can last up to 2 days. And it's saying about 4th generation OS upgrades, 5 years of security update, and it has some features of Samsung smart Samsung wallet. Talking of the voice clarity, it has some sound noise cancellation technology where video and audio calls are more clearer, noisy backgrounds minimized, has good robust knock security, and as you can see, there are like 3 variants of color available, like prism silver, midnight blue, and waterfall blue. What you wish to buy, you can select those colors. And it has the processor of Super Exynos, that is ultra fast Exynos 1280 5 nanometer processor. So it is quite fast, as it is saying Super Exynos, and it has a memory of somewhere around 2 variants are available, 6 GB 128 GB and 8 GB 128 GB. You can select as per. So what it is providing: a handset, a data cable, that is USB-C to C, ejection pin, and quick start guide. I think the adapter is not provided here. So let us go through the specification once again. CPU speed is 2.4 gigahertz, 2 gigahertz. Weight is somewhere around 208 grams. Audio playback up to 158 hours. And it is octa-core processor. And display is again 6.5 full rectangle. And if you go for rounded corner, then diagonal to diagonal it will be 6.3 inch. Resolution 1080 into 2340. Super AMOLED. 120 hertz of refresh rate. Camera, triple camera setup, 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. And the f-stops are f1.8, 2.2, 2.4. Autofocus is there, OSS is there. Rear camera zoom up to 10x, that's good. Front camera resolution is somewhere around 13 megapixel, and f-stop is f2.2. And video recording is 4K, but at the rate 30 fps. It is not 60 fps. And slow-mo is 240 fps at the HD. So memory 6 GB 128, and these are the network connectivity. Nano SIM 1 is hybrid one, either you can go for SIM or micro SD. And as you can see, it is a 5G phone. You can definitely use 5G if it comes in future in your area. And connectivity is USB interface, Type C, GPS. Stereo is available, 3.5 mm stereo, ear jack, that's a good thing. Of course, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, everything is there. Sensors, accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, virtual proximity sensing, gyro sensor, everything is available. And as you can see, 6000 mAh of battery, and which says that 51 hours of talk time at one stretch. Video playing resolution is as well UHD 4K up to 30 FPS. So these are the overall specs and overview of this phone, that is Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. Well, it is one of the best phone within 20,000 or around that price range in India. You can go for it if you are into non-flagship kind of phones, and it will definitely not disappoint you. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you found something useful from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.